Welcome to Christmas in July with our first mini challenge in the challenge for the July Journal from a Simple Kit challenge. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here from the July Journal from a Simple Kit, and I am ready to give you your mini challenge in the challenge number 1. And you're going to make 2 items, including a guest check, a label, a tag or gift tag, ribbon or string. Your base is optional, and glitter, glitter glue, nail polish, or bling. So you're going to make 2 items using guest check, label, tag or gift tag, ribbon or string. Your base is optional, glitter or glue. Your deadline is July 26th. 2019. So I thought I would go ahead and make 2 of them, and so I think we will use a base. We're going to use an envelope. I'm making embellishments this for my July Christmas in July series, and so here we go. And I think I'm going to make a belly band on here, and since it has a belly band on here, maybe people might not notice to open this. If you wanted to put something in there that you know it's okay that people look at, but maybe you would rather they didn't. Or look for the, looks like this is the longest one. So our hole is already on it, so I think we're going to have to add our string first before I forget, right? Okay. And since it's on the side like that, I think I'll make it a bow. And I'm just using this yarn that I had gotten from my mom's stash. I didn't go looking for Christmas stuff. What happened, I'm working on redoing my craft room, and so I just started putting things aside that were Christmas related, and I'm going to use that. So for this video, these are all things that are in my stash and readily available. Of course, I did buy that sticker set that I could use also. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach this. This is going to be my belly band. Okay, I think might want to go ahead and trim this down just a little. It's a coffee dyed guest check, and I had pulled that because it's the last coffee dyed guest check, and I was like, well, let's use that today. I gotta get used to my trash can is now on the right instead of on the left, so you'll probably see me. I'll keep trying to put trash down on my right. So there is our guest check, and then we can just go ahead and add a label. Ooh, I like that. Okay. I'll just go ahead. And of course you could make your belly band part before you put it on. That might even be smart. Less chance of getting glue on your base. Okay, so we've used our base, our label, our tag, our string. We're going to do that guess check. And so now some bling. Bling. Okay, but I do think I'll go ahead. I'm going to use the fingernail polish. This is from Dollar Tree. It's number 544. I use it a lot because it dries fast. It dries so fast that I'm going to have to pull out the other bottle. Boy, it was deceiving, but that side's not deceiving. I do have a backup. I have a backup. So it's time to buy a new one, so I'll have a backup again. Okay. So this just gives you a little bit of glitter. And it dries fast, so that's one of the reasons I like it. And it's, anyway, that's just something that I like to do. Okay, so we'll let that dry. And we are going to also add 3 little blings. Down at the bottom of our guess check. We'll go across tacks, not total. So go. Okay, and then you can just pop that down there. Now, of course, you can add a sentiment or whatever that you wanted to. I'm going to wait because I don't know where this is going to go in the journal that I'm making. So I'm making things that are pretty generic that I'll be able to add in. And so there is my first one, using the base, the guess check, the label, the tag or gift tag, your ribbon or string, glitter, and I use glitter and bling. So there's number 1. And now let's go ahead. We're going to take another one of the guess checks. I like this one. This is the one that I just purchased, and it has lines across the back, which I think is really cool. I am going to take the little piece off. Okay, and I'm going to make another belly band. I think I want to use this gift tag. I think I'll just use the stuff that came with it. And again, I'm kind of generic because I don't know, like, if this might go on, you know, decorating day or what, but I will be using this page of bling for the journal, and my ... I like the ... because that means and then some. Okay, there we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now a label, and I think for my other label, I'm too big. Too big. Well, like what if it goes to the other side and becomes a pocket? I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and put my glue a little bit on the inside there because I think I might have to cut a little bit of this off. Okay. There we go. And of course you can always write on your guest check. Okay. There's our label. And we'll add a tag to this pocket and we'll use the green again this time. We'll put it through and pull it through. Put it through and pull it through. There you go. Okay, and then when it comes time, we can go ahead and add a sentiment onto the tag or onto the label. We can write on the label, we can write on the tag, all kinds of things. So what am I missing? We have our guest check, we have our label, we have a tag or gift tag, we have our ribbon or string, base is optional, and we've got our bling. So yeah, so there you go. Now on this one, I think the one other thing that I would come in and do is round the corners and make this look more like a tag. Okay, that's something that we can take and put through our journal. So those are my two. Yes, I guess I had a thing about belly bands today, but we also have a pocket and we have an envelope spot where we'll be able to put something later. Okay, so there we go. Our mini challenge in the challenge number 1, and deadline is July 26th. You can join us at the July Journal from a Simple Kit. People are finding this is probably the easiest challenge that we've ever done. There are some items that you put together and then you make your journal from that kit. Your journal is basic, and then you can decorate it or give it as a gift. So join us at the July Journal from a Simple Kit. The video with the details will be down below, and we also have a Facebook group by that name, July Journal from a Simple Kit, and hope you'll join us there. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and thanks for being here. Bye-bye.